Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking someone's birthday on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you look at your friends list when someone has a birthday on the current day, you will see a cake beside their name. But if you want to know someone's birthday before the day, you can do it by following these steps. Open up Snapchat and on the camera page tap on Explore in the bottom right corner. Now in the search bar at the top you want to search for birthday. Then open the filter called Birthday Countdown. Here on this filter you can see all of the dates of your friends' birthdays. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.